Bananas are widely recognized as highly nutritious and convenient fruits, praised for their health benefits. They are packed with essential nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which contribute positively to overall health and wellness. From breakfast smoothies to snacks and desserts, bananas are versatile and enjoyed by many. However, they may not be suitable for everyone. Contrary to the belief that bananas universally benefit everyone, certain health conditions or medications may make them less ideal. In this video, we'll delve into the potential side effects of consuming bananas, especially in relation to specific health conditions or when using certain medications. Some individuals may experience these side effects due to their body's unique reactions to bananas, rather than any pre-existing health issues or medications. Stay tuned as we explore when it might be prudent to avoid bananas and how to incorporate them wisely into your diet to maximize their benefits. We'll also discuss groundbreaking scientific studies that highlight ways to enhance the nutritional benefits of bananas and how they can aid in the absorption of nutrients from other sources. Bananas boast an impressive nutritional profile, being rich in vitamin C and B6 essential for immune function and energy metabolism. They also provide potassium, which supports heart health and muscle function, along with fiber that aids in digestive health and helps regulate blood sugar levels. However, it's important to understand under what conditions it might be best to avoid bananas to optimize their beneficial effects. Number 1. Kidney health. Bananas contain significant amounts of potassium, a vital mineral for maintaining healthy blood pressure and overall heart function. However, for individuals with chronic kidney disease, closely managing potassium intake is critical. When kidneys are not functioning properly, they struggle to filter excess potassium from the blood, which can lead to hyperkalemia, an elevated potassium level that poses serious health risks. Symptoms of hyperkalemia include muscle weakness, fatigue, irregular heartbeats, and, in severe cases, cardiac arrest. Nephrology research underscores the importance of monitoring potassium levels in individuals with kidney disease. If you have compromised kidney function, it is essential to discuss your dietary intake of bananas and other potassium-rich foods with your healthcare provider to mitigate potential complications. Number 2. Blood sugar management. Bananas have a moderate glycemic index, which means they can cause a gradual increase in blood sugar levels. While this can be advantageous for maintaining steady energy levels, it may also result in blood sugar spikes, particularly for individuals with diabetes or insulin resistance. The impact of bananas on blood sugar can vary based on the ripeness of the fruit. Riper bananas tend to have higher sugar content. Research suggests that pairing bananas with proteins or healthy fats can help stabilize blood sugar levels. For those managing diabetes or monitoring blood sugar, it is crucial to consume bananas in moderation and combine them with other macronutrients to prevent spikes and maintain optimal blood sugar control. Seeking advice from a healthcare provider or dietitian can offer personalized guidance on how to incorporate bananas into a well-balanced diet. Number 3. Digestive disorders. Bananas are rich in fiber, which is typically advantageous for digestive health as it supports regular bowel movements and nurtures beneficial gut bacteria. However, for certain individuals, especially those with digestive disorders like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, the high fiber content in bananas can cause symptoms such as gas, bloating, and abdominal discomfort. Bananas contain both soluble and insoluble fiber, which may be challenging for some people to digest, potentially worsening symptoms of conditions like IBS. Gastroenterological recommendations often emphasize the importance of monitoring fiber intake and adjusting it according to individual tolerance levels. If you experience digestive discomfort after consuming bananas, it may be beneficial to consult with a healthcare provider or dietitian to discuss your symptoms and explore dietary modifications. Number 4. Latex fruit syndrome. Certain individuals who have latex allergies may experience reactions to bananas as well, a condition known as latex fruit syndrome. This occurs because specific proteins found in bananas are similar to those in natural rubber latex, potentially triggering allergic responses. Symptoms can vary from mild itching and rashes to more severe reactions like difficulty breathing or anaphylaxis. Research suggests that individuals with a documented latex allergy should exercise caution when consuming bananas and other fruits that may cross-react, such as avocados, kiwis, and chestnuts. If you suspect you may have latex fruit syndrome, it is crucial to avoid bananas and seek evaluation from an allergist for accurate diagnosis and appropriate management strategies. Number 5. Medication interactions. Bananas have the potential to interact with certain medications, especially those prescribed for high blood pressure and heart disease. The significant potassium content in bananas can amplify the effects of potassium-sparing diuretics, possibly leading to hyperkalemia. Furthermore, the high levels of vitamin B6 in bananas may interfere with medications such as levodopa, commonly used to manage Parkinson's disease, potentially reducing its effectiveness. Pharmacological studies underscore the importance of monitoring dietary intake of bananas for individuals taking these medications. If you are on chronic medications, it is crucial to consult your healthcare provider about how to manage your consumption of bananas to avoid potential interactions and ensure the optimal effectiveness of your treatments. Number 6. Migraine triggers. Bananas contain tyramine, a natural compound that has the potential to trigger migraines in people who are susceptible. Tyramine is derived from the amino acid tyrosine and is present in various foods, including aged cheeses, cured meats, and certain fruits like bananas. For individuals prone to migraines, consuming foods high in tyramine can lead to headaches or worsen existing migraine symptoms. Neurological studies have indicated that reducing dietary intake of tyramine can be beneficial in managing and preventing migraine attacks. If you experience migraines, it is recommended to monitor your consumption of bananas and other foods rich in tyramine. Consulting with a healthcare provider can provide personalized dietary advice tailored to your needs and help manage your migraine symptoms effectively. Number 7. Dental health. While bananas are healthy, their natural sugars can contribute to tooth decay if consumed excessively without proper oral hygiene. The sticky texture of bananas can cause these sugars to adhere to teeth, serving as a food source for bacteria that produce acids and lead to enamel erosion. Dental studies suggest that although bananas are less harmful than sugary snacks and desserts, it is still important to brush and floss after eating them to prevent tooth decay and maintain good oral hygiene. If you have concerns about the impact of bananas on your dental health, consult with your dentist for advice on how to incorporate them into your diet without compromising your teeth. Number 8. Weight management. While bananas are a nutritious and energy-dense food, their high carbohydrate content can impact weight management goals if consumed in large quantities. Each banana contains a substantial amount of carbohydrates and natural sugars, contributing to calorie intake. For individuals aiming to lose or maintain weight, it is important to consume bananas in moderation and be mindful of their overall carbohydrate intake. Studies have shown that incorporating bananas into a balanced diet, paired with proteins and healthy fats, can provide sustained energy without leading to weight gain. If you are focused on weight management, being mindful of portion sizes and overall dietary balance is essential. Consulting with a dietitian can help you create a diet plan that includes bananas while supporting your weight management goals. Did you know that you can enhance the nutritional benefits of bananas by combining them with the right foods? Let's explore what recent scientific studies have revealed. Bananas are already packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber, but recent research has highlighted a fascinating discovery. Consuming bananas alongside other nutrient-rich foods can boost the absorption of those nutrients in your body. A recent study reported that adding bananas to a meal can act as a nutrient enhancer, increasing the absorption of key vitamins and minerals. For example, people who consume bananas with their meals absorbed significantly more nutrients from the other foods. So what's the science behind this incredible nutrient boost? It all comes down to the unique combination of nutrients found in bananas. Bananas are rich in dietary fiber and natural sugars, which help your body absorb and utilize fat-soluble nutrients more efficiently. This banana effect doesn't just apply to meals. Another study published in the Journal of Nutrition found similar benefits when bananas were paired with various nutrient-dense foods, enhancing the absorption of their inherent vitamins and minerals. How can you put this knowledge into practice? Try adding sliced bananas to your morning cereal, blending them into smoothies, or using them as a topping for yogurt. Not only will these banana-centric meals taste great, but they'll also provide your body with a powerful nutritional boost that can support everything from energy levels to overall health. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.